This is how you're going to use the Iconify plugin in Figma. So first, you're going to open your Figma project and go to the plugins menu at the bottom of the screen. So you can see this as shape right here, and it's going to appear as actions. You can also just click on Control K, or you can just click on this icon right here. Now from here, you're going to search Iconify, and then you're going to head over to plugins and widgets. Now from here, just click on Iconify. This is usually the first one that appears on your screen, and then you're going to click on run. Now you can just click on any icon that you like and it will be inserted into your design instantly. So for example, you want this material symbols right here, so you're going to click on any design that you want, or you can also select multiple icons by toggling this or checking this box off, and then you can click on import as frame, or you can also click on import as component. So for me, I'm going to import this as a component, and then you can see it added to your screen immediately right here. So you can scale that however you like, and that's it. That is how you're going to use Iconify Figma plugin. If you found this video helpful, please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more.